Good morning, Cavs. I'm Sha-Dia Burch. And over the summer, Instagram introduced Stories, which is similar to Snapchat. We wanted to know which one you thought was better, so we hit the halls to find out. By the way, I have allergies. What do you think is better, Instagram Stories or Snapchat?
I'm not even gonna lie. I still like that Snapchat story. You already.
Excuse me. Sorry. Which one do you think is better, Instagram Stories or Snapchat? Excuse me. My bad. My allergies are acting up. Which do you like better, Instagram or Snapchat? Excuse me. Sorry, Lever. Which one do you like better, Instagram or Snapchat?
Snapchat.
Excuse me. Which do you like better, Instagram or Snapchat?
Instagram.
Excuse me. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Which one do you like better, Instagram Stories or Snapchat?
I like Snapchat better. Oh my god.
My allergies are messing up. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
What?
Which one do you like better, Instagram or Snapchat?
I would have to say Snapchat.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Sorry. Which do you think is better, Snapchat or Instagram?
Instagram.
Excuse me. Which one do you like better, Instagram Stories or Snapchat?
Snapchat.
Excuse me. I'm so sorry. My allergies are acting up. I'm sorry. Reporting from RNE-TV Live, I'm Sha-Dia Burch. My allergies are acting up.